Kylie Jenner's pink PVC dress is so tight, I don't know how she moves in it. Kylie Jenner has most definitely broken her own rule about not posting photos of baby Stormi Webster stepping out for best friend Jordyn Woods' birthday on Friday. Kylie carried baby Stormi, and both mother and daughter were dressed to impress. While Kylie donned two different looks throughout the night, Stormi completely stole the show in a shiny silver dress with the cutest matching Adidas trainers. Photo: Kylie stares at her baby daughter in total wonder, and it's clear that the makeup mogul is as enamored with her as we are. DDA post shared by Kylie @Kylie Jenner on September 21, 2018 at 5:37 p.m. PDT. Meanwhile, Kylie replicated a look she debuted a few weeks ago by squeezing into another impossibly tight, pink PVC dress. This time, her new baby pink hair matched the dress and fitted in at the party, which was packed with shiny pink balloons. And in a video captioned, "My Angel," Kylie posed with Stormi with a cute butterfly filter on, and they both looked as adorable as ever. Officially the cutest thing I've ever seen. A post shared by Kylie Jenner @Kylie's Snapchat on September 21, 2018 at 2:27 p.m. PDT. Bubblegum. A post shared by Kylie @Kylie Jenner on September 21, 2018 at 8:30 p.m. PDT. Stormi is becoming a regular fixture again on her mom's social media accounts, and it's clear that the baby is already developing a following of her own. Just last week, Kylie shared a hilarious video of Stormi, who was seriously unhappy as she'd just been woken up from a nap. Basically, her attitude is a really relatable mood test. Stormia circumflex euros esmated kid. A post shared by Kylie Jenner @Kylie's Snapchat on September 15, 2018 at 7:24 p.m. PDT. Kylie's baby has also become well acquainted with her little cousins, Chicago West and True Thompson. The trio were even nicknamed the triplets by Kim Kardashian West because of their uncannily similar features. The triplets. A post shared by Kim Kardashian West @Kim Kardashian on September 14, 2018 at 4:53 p.m. PDT.